Welcome to the Yellow Belt. That was Mary Had a Little Lamb. If you'd like to earn your yellow belt, here are some things I'd like you to do. First of all, make sure each of your three notes, B, A, and G, are coming out clearly by covering the holes. Second, and this is a tricky one sometimes for students, make sure that your half notes last for 2 beats. So a lot of times I will hear students playing Mary Had a Little Lamb like this. You hear that the notes are shorter. We don't want that. We want our half notes to last for 2 beats. So I'm going to be listening for those long notes, and of course look at the very last note of the song. That G is a big round whole note which lasts 4 beats. Happy practicing.